Next question comes from Steve Reno, 6799. He asks, just curious, Brandon, do you install or recommend installing a lightweight flywheel on the 9971S 3.8 liter stock motor? I'm replacing the clutch soon and I'm tempted to go with the lightweight flywheel.
So the answer is yes. We love the ESCO lightweight flywheels specifically. Very high quality, well made. They come in well balanced. And really, I think this is a good time to get a little show and tell. Let's take a look at some flywheels, shall we?
My favorite part of the podcast.
All right, let's go. Here we have the ESCO lightweight flywheel, and we have the Porsche dual mass flywheel. Now, Ricardo, you helped pull them out. What did you notice different between the two?
100% that the lightweight flywheel was lighter than the other one.
Just
but
like
it was
the name
significantly,
says, right?
It was significantly lighter.
So this big old sucker weighs 40 pounds. And then it's got a spring built into it. Let's see if we can show a little bit of the spring action. And so what that is it's a dampener to dampen some of the engine vibration and keep it from going into the drivetrain. And it just makes a little more smoother, more comfortable ride. The downside is that it also makes the revving a little bit more muted, if you will. And so it's slower to, if I have the clutch in and I'm hitting the gas pedal or the throttle pedal, then it's going to rev a little bit slower and it's going to come down a little bit slower. Like everything's a little muted. And so that's fine. It makes for a nice, comfortable ride. I don't have anything against this. This is a great option. And you're not going to see any more power out of a lightweight flywheel. It doesn't really affect the horsepower. It just affects the responsiveness of the throttle pedal. Now then, being somebody that really likes responsiveness, I do personally prefer the lightweight flywheel on all of my Porsches and have it on pretty much all of my Porsches. I've got one left that I need to get one on. So the biggest difference obviously is the weight. This one's 40 pounds. This is 14 pounds.
Oh, wow.
And so it's nice and light and easy. This does not have any type of built-in dampening or spring in it. And so some people run it with the Sachs Performance sprung clutch. I typically just run it with the Sachs OEM clutch. The OEM clutch is good up to 395, about 390 foot-pounds of torque. And that's still going to be good enough that if it gets hit too hard, there's going to be some slip and give, and so it's not going to go directly into the drivetrain. The one with the sprung clutch is going to feel a little different on engagement and provide a little bit of dampening force there. But ultimately, we've done a lot of research and a lot of in-depth failure analysis of broken crankshafts and what causes that. And we know that comes from typically rear end impacts causing that crankshaft to bow between the flywheel and the center thrust bearings. They are not from torsional loads or vibration or hits as maybe kind of previously thought. So, that's kind of the science behind why we're really happy with the lightweight flywheels. And then beyond that, what I love about the ESCO in particular is this wear surface right here is replaceable. So for under $100, if you're servicing the clutch another 100,000 miles from now, you don't have to replace the entire flywheel again. You can simply replace the friction ring. I also like that it comes with a torque plate. It allows us to, if we use this torque plate, we just have to torque the bolts down to about 60 foot-pounds, I believe. And so it's a nice setup. It's well done. It's well thought out. There is a little bit of noise that goes along with it. It's not a box of rocks grinding noise like on some vehicles, but you can definitely kind of hear a little bit of chatter to go with it. Many people, that sounds perfectly natural, just part of the experience, and is well worth kind of the extra, responsiveness that they feel whenever they have one of these. So we like both options. We offer both options. Both options are about the same price. So it just comes down to whatever our customer's preference is.
And this is the ESCO flywheel, lightweight flywheel.
Yep.
Nice. Okay. That sums up that question.
Yeah.
Let's move on to the next one.
All right.